This open concept living area truly maximizes the natural sunlight and highlights the premium modern decor.
It's quite impressive.
Congratulations on the new apartment, sir.
Thank you. It is perfect.
The finish on these ceramics is exactly what we wanted.
Congratulations, I think this is the start of something great.
I agree completely. Wonderful work.
What the hell happened? This can't be real. Oh no, the whole wall's gone.
अगर टाइल सॉलिड बॉन्ड एडहेसिव से लगाई होती तो ये कभी नहीं गिरती।
टाइल चाहे कितनी भी महंगी क्यों ना हो, अगर सही एडहेसिव से नहीं लगाई गई तो ऐसा होना तय है। Solid Bond Premium Tile Adhesive by Premium Ceramics, a premium tile company of India.